Hello and welcome to the last chapter of the last course of this program. We've practiced SQL in our previous session against the database. In this chapter, we're going to see how we can implement SQL as a language to query Excel tables. Now, the syntax is somewhat a little bit different, but the principles are exactly the same. And you're going to see how this is done. This gives you a lot of power without dealing with the database at all, just with your Excel tables in terms of highly fast and performing complex queries over your Excel tables. We will wrap it up with a beautiful dashboard that we will build representing some summary data over our fictitious company Accelerate Care. Are you ready? Let's do it.